Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Kids Learn with Ease. Today we will learn 10 bird names and learn spelling with their picture. The first bird is eagle and we spell it as E-A-G-L-E, eagle. The first bird is eagle. The second bird is vulture and we spell it as V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. The second bird is vulture and the third bird is pigeon and we spell it as P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. The third bird is pigeon. The fourth bird is peacock and we spell it as P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. It is our national bird of India. The fifth bird is parakeet and we spell it as P-A-R-A-K-E-E-T, parakeet. The sixth bird is hummingbird and we spell it as H-U-M-M-I-N-G-B-I-R-D, hummingbird. The seventh bird is kingfisher and we spell it as K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. The eighth bird is owl. We spell it as O-W-L, owl. The eighth bird is owl. The ninth bird is quail and we spell it as Q-U-A-I-L, quail. The ninth bird is quail and we spell. The 10th bird is blue jay and we spell it as B-L-U-E-J-A-Y, blue jay. The 10th bird. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you liked it. Like, subscribe and share it. Bye bye.